Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Mason Pearson, and I'm on tour at Mason Pearson 21. I just opened up a box of 2016 Bowman Platinum. If you not watch it, please check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. But we got something cool in there. It's alright, but this is my second box break of this. Actually, my first box break of Platinum, but yes, I did not randomize this box. I just drew it on there because I was bored, just waiting for my sister to come out of school. So, sorry for that yelling out there too, but I did pull a green refractor autograph out of the first box I opened, and I just learned that you could pull super refractors out of here, and they could be a lot of money. So I like to pull one. I don't know if there's autographs. Actually, I think there is autographs. But let's see if I can pull one out of here. Alright, I forget how many packs are in here. There is a special pack of super refractors. I do love those so much. Alright, there's also 32 cards in this box, and there's 7 packs. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This is super refractor box, super pack right there. So here we go. Pull that down for you guys here. And maybe a little up. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, starting off with the Edwin Encarnacion base. Todd Frazier. Is that a refractor? Yep, that's a refractor right there. That's cool. Robert Stepson rookie. Albert Pujols. Second pack. Francisco Liriano. I do see someone's shiny in here. I think it's a Prism refractor. Bryce Ziegler. Yep, Prism refractor of Dean Doolittle is not numbered at all. Still cool. And Tyson Ross. Shout out to Mike Go. In that pack, there's a lot of good TTM signers. Actually, in the first one too. Yes, Steven Matz. That's a nice one. Oh, shit. Sorry for the cussing, but that's a nice card. Chris Bryant. I can't say that word right. I'm sorry. It's kind of like a tongue twister to me. Got a refractor in there, but there's the back. Refractor Billy Hamilton. Very nice card. And we got a card of Carlos Gonzalez. A few more packs left. Craig Kimbrell with the Red Sox uniform. Francisco Lindor Future Stars. There's the back there. Max Kepler, Corey Seager. Shout out to KG Sport Cards. I did see 2 of these at Walmart today. I'm probably going to go pick up another one later on. Ryan Braun. Got a Cubby right there. Buster Posey. Cal Schwarber. What's this product? Insert called? Not product, but that's stuff an impact. Cal Schwarber. That'd be pretty cool. That was an autograph. There's autograph cards of these. Inserts here. And Aaronola. Again, shout out to Mike O from the Phillies and all the Phillies fans out there. like give you guys a shout out. DeGrom, Franco Refractor, Makakis, and Stroman. Marcus Stroman. It's kind of saying Frosty the Snowman, but Marcus the Snowman. That was kind of clever. If you think it was stupid, let me know in the comments. Salvador Perez. Set it up a little bit. Having some camera trouble here. Milky Cabrera. I got another one. Corey Seager. And Johnny Cueto. So no color out of those packs. Shame. Here we go, the SEPA. Salvador Perez. Milky Cabrera. I want some Milky Mickey for those Cocoa Puffs. I got a joke for that one too. Oh, I already have that one. Damn it. Marcus Stroman. And another Johnny Cueto. So that's pretty cool. Cards. I wish they had autographs for the SEPA cards. Well, that was a nice box anyway. Even we didn't get an autograph, but every time you're not gonna get a hit. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. My mouth is kind of dry. Almost at sore, but it's kind of dry right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video too, and hopefully you guys watch this other box break I made on here. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I'm out. And if you watch both videos, I thank you guys, and you guys are awesome. Alright, I'm going to get something to drink now. Alright, have a nice day. Enjoy the ALCS game, and probably hockey too, and football. Alright, have a good day. Go Cubbies.